so let's take off. That's correct. You want to make sure your wheels are straight before you go, because the examiners, they don't know you. They don't know if you're just going to step on that gas right out in front of an oncoming vehicle. So straighten those wheels up first, and I'll show you how to make sure that they are straight. So keep going here. Outside stop. Yep. Okay. So now close your eyes and don't touch the wheel. Okay, so now look at the wheel. It looks like it's straight, right? The logo is straight up. Okay, now if you're not sure when your wheels are straight, yeah, sure, turn it off, yeah. Bring them all the way back to the right. Turn them all the way to the right. And then bring it back to the straight ahead position. So there's like a quarter turn, and then it's one more full revolution. And now your wheels are straight. So bring it back to the right and do the same. One full turn and then a quarter. A little more than a quarter. And then it's going to be a little more than a quarter and one full turn back to the straight head position. Now try the left. One full turn and a little more than a quarter. And then it's a little more than a quarter and one full turn back to the straight head position. So you can, there's one of two ways to check if your wheels are straight. That was one, which isn't really the best way to do it, because what you're doing when the car is not moving is you're doing dry steering, which puts strain on your vehicle, some parts or whatever. So if you're not sure, what you can do is let the car move just slightly.